Are you all done? I thought you were going to read me a story. Oh, you are? Do you have a different one in mind? Ugh, you got to move that handle out of the way. Or maybe not. Oh, you're too smart for me. Yeah, read it to me. Yeah. Oh, yeah, touch the penguin. Fuzzy belly. Yeah. Is that bag of books in your way? Oh, touch the belly again. Do you need help? Nope, you got it. Now we've got an ostrich. What do you do with the ostrich? Oh, turn the page. Armadillo. Is that an octopus? Octopus. That's a good book. Thank you for reading it to me. Oh, is it my turn? Okay, well, I'm going to have to put this down then. Say, Mom, it's your turn. Yeah, okay.